3 weeks ago, I built my first AI agent with ElevenLabs, and it completely changed everything. My business started running smoother, sales increased, and my customer support became effortless. But here's the thing, this isn't just for business owners. You can build one for anything: your personal assistant, your brand, or your entire team. Once you learn how to set up the business side I'm about to show you, you'll realize you can create your own personal AI assistant to organize your day, answer emails, schedule calls, even manage projects, all without writing a single line of code. This is the exact system that helped me automate my e-commerce customer service and scale faster than I imagined. Let me go to my studio and show you how to make it step by step. All right, now that we're in the studio, let's break down exactly how you can build your first production-grade AI agent using ElevenLabs. I'll show you the same system I used to create mine from start to finish, and by the end of this video, you'll have a working agent ready to handle real customers or act as your own personal digital assistant.
Hi there, how can I help you today? Could you provide me with your name, email address, and phone number associated with your account so I can look up your order details?
But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI updates, tutorials, and automation strategies. And make sure you sign up for my newsletter to get the latest AI breakthroughs sent straight to your inbox. The link is in the description. So, first sign up for ElevenLabs. If you don't already have an account, you can find the link in the description. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and change the drop-down menu from Creative Platform to Agent Platform. Now click Create New Agent. Here you'll have two options. Choose the business agent if you're building an assistant for your business, or choose personal assistant if you're creating one for yourself. Next, choose your industry. I'm selecting retail and e-commerce because my agent will handle store-related tasks. Then choose your use case. In my case, I need customer support, so I select that. After that, add your agent. Name your website and write your goal. For example, help customers track orders, process returns, and answer questions. Then click Create Agent. Next, set your language. I chose English as my default and added Spanish and Portuguese for multilingual support. Turn on automatic language detection so the agent instantly switches based on the language your customer is speaking. It's a small detail, but it makes your business feel global. Now add your first message. This is the initial greeting your agent will say, like, "Hi there, I can help you track your orders or answer any questions you might have." Then comes the most important part, the system prompt. This defines your agent's personality, tone, and boundaries. I built mine as a confident, polite, and professional assistant who knows when to ask for order, details how to stay on topic, and when to escalate to human support if needed. This single prompt transforms a basic AI into a branded experience that sounds exactly the way your company or you should. For the brain, I use Gemini 2.0 Flash. It's fast, affordable, and perfect for real-time conversations. You can switch to any other large language model later, or even host your own. ElevenLabs makes it completely flexible. Once you save that, move to the voice section. This is where ElevenLabs truly shines. I chose Rachel, a calm, elegant American voice that sounds warm, professional, and trustworthy. The voice is everything. It's what makes your AI sound alive and aligned with your brand identity. Choose one that matches the tone and experience you want people to feel when they interact with your business or assistant. After that, upload your knowledge base. Add your FAQ pages, product details, return policy, or any relevant documents. ElevenLabs will automatically scrape and learn from those links so your agent can answer questions instantly. You can also enable RAG later for smarter retrieval, but for now, even 1 or 2 URLs make it surprisingly capable. Next, enable your tools. Start with language detection. It's already on if you added multilingual mode, then connect any other tools you need. Once everything is set up, it's time to test. Click Test Agent, and you'll instantly hear your AI speak. When I tested mine, it greeted me naturally, switched to Spanish mid-conversation, and answered product questions perfectly. That's when I realized I had just built a 24/7 employee that never sleeps, never complains, and never makes mistakes. Now let's talk deployment. You can embed your agent on your website as a chat widget, connect it to your phone line for voice support, or integrate it into your mobile app. Every single configuration can also be automated through the ElevenLabs API so your agent keeps improving and updating itself as your business grows. Since launching mine, my customer support workload dropped by 70% and sales conversions jumped because customers get answers instantly, no waiting, no friction, no delay. I finally had time to focus on strategy instead of repetitive tasks. That's what real automation feels like: freedom and growth. And remember, this doesn't stop at business. Once you master these steps, you can create your own personal AI assistant. Imagine an agent that knows your schedule, reminds you of meetings, sends emails, researches ideas, or even manages your social media. You can build that with this exact same system. So whether you're a business owner trying to scale or someone who just wants to live smarter, start building your own AI agent today. This is how success in the AI era looks: smart, efficient, and unstoppable. And before you go, make sure to hit subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming updates, tutorials, and automation insights. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, sign up for my newsletter. The link's in the description to get the newest AI breakthroughs delivered straight to your inbox. See you in the next one.
Hi there, how can I help you today? I can definitely help with that. To assist you best, could you please provide me with your order number or any other relevant details about the shipment you're inquiring about? I understand. In that case, could you provide me with your name, email address, and phone number associated with your account so I can look up your order details? I can help you with various aspects of shipping, such as tracking your order, providing updates on its status, and addressing any potential delays or issues you might be experiencing. I can also explain our shipping policies and help you understand the delivery process. Do you have a specific question or concern in mind?